Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro, and this is the regular Pro, not the Max. I'm a small phone person if you couldn't tell. Here's the box itself. It's black this year. Off comes the lid, and we have the phone itself in all its glory. I got the midnight green, 256 gigabytes. It's got this nice matte finish this year. Really like that. Feels really good in the hand. And that piece of plastic was only on the front this year. I'm not sure why. The first thing I noticed right after I took it out of the box was how heavy it was. It's just a really heavy phone. Here's the usual paperwork. And the SIM ejector tool. And finally, the Apple stickers we all want but never use. And it's always nice to have a new pair of earpods. I gave my old ones to my dad. And of course, the 18-watt fast charger. Not the fastest in the world, but fast enough if you ask me. Lots of ASMR in this video, huh? Next up, the USB-C to Lightning cable. Still the same length. I wish it was longer this year. The green shirt for the midnight green iPhone was a complete coincidence, believe me. But here's how it looks under white light. It's mostly grey, but with a tinge of green. Looks really good if you ask me. Booting it up. The setup process itself wasn't interesting enough to show on camera, but I went through it quickly. And the ability to tweak accessibility settings in the initial setup is a really nice touch. Oh, and here's the case I'll be using. It's this nice light lavender color. And it's got this microfiber lining inside. And I got these 3 glass screen protectors for about $8. They're pretty good quality and they cover the entire screen. Now this next part is interesting. All these apps you see in the multitasking window, I've never opened these on this phone before. Those were all just apps that were open on my old iPhone 7 that I was using before this. Let's see what it looks like with the case on. Here's what the phone looks like in a couple of different lighting conditions. This is strong white light. It's pretty nice. You can see the green. Now this is under strong yellow light. The camera doesn't really pick it up, but you can still see the green. It doesn't look like a gray phone. And this is in bright light outside. I think this is the best way to look at your phone. And the matte finish really shines here. Alright, I've gathered a bunch of green objects I could find around the house just to give you a better idea of what shade of green it is. So yeah, when you look at it like this, it doesn't really seem like a green phone, but it is really nice in person. Anyway, if you've made it this far, I hope it was worth it, and until next time.